Hey guys, Devamitra one more time. A very good afternoon to all of you. So guys, in my previous sessions, I have talked about so many things and I've tried to help you to get a better job. And in my career honest series, I have already talked about how to make resume, how can you prove yourself, how to be confident in an interview, and what are the things you need to know to be a proper professional person. Right now, I'm going to give you an idea that is how to be an Android developer. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So if you're interested in coding and love working on challenging projects, you can consider a career as an Android developer. Competitive salaries, exciting work, and numerous career opportunities are some benefits of a career in Android development. Learning how to become an Android developer can help you prepare better for this career. So in this session, I am going to share a detailed guide on how to become an Android developer. Okay, so the at first the thing you need to know, earn a relevant degree. A bachelor's degree in a relevant field like computer engineering, information technology, or computer science can give you an advantage in your career as an Android developer. These undergraduate programs can help you learn the basics of computer applications and software functionality. They can also help you build skills in C++, Java, HTML, MySQL, PHP, and another programming languages. So build your technical skills. Java is one of the two major Android development languages, and understanding the basics of Java programming can help you build a career as an Android developer. So besides learning Java syntax and form, familiarize yourself with inheritance, class, and static methods and variables, lists, loops, and other fundamentals and object oriented programming. So Kotlin, besides Java, Kotlin is the other programming language fundamental for Android development and can offer many advantages. Mastering Kotlin can help you build modern apps that provide enhanced features and better performance. Structured query language, as Android app store and retrieve data, employees typically prefer Android developers with SQL experience. Okay, expertise also. So understanding the basics of SQL can help you organize database with Android app and improve your chances to employment. So extensible markup language, that is called XML. Okay, XML is used to view web data, and it plays a crucial role in Android app development. Understanding XML basics can help developers transfer data from apps to web services and vice versa. Git, GIT. Learning GIT is a valuable skill set as it can help in increasing employment opportunities. So understanding the fundamentals of Git programming can enable you to build and utilize the repositories and learn how to provide updates of your Android app. So that's third thing is hone your soft skills. That is, Android developers often work as a part of a team with engineers, designers, testers, and other developers. So who are part of the app development infrastructure. So having the below listed of the skills can help you become a team player. Okay, so thereby improving your employability chances. So first one is time management and organizational skills. As an Android developer, you may work on multiple projects with varying deadlines simultaneously. So time management and organizational skills can help you keep track of activities and complete tasks as a project schedulers. Okay, so communication skills, as you may work with the teams, skills like clear verbal and written communications, listening, diplomacy, and can help resolve workplace conflicts smoothly. You may communicate with your team members and other employees using various communication channels like instant messaging, email, video calling, apps, and face-to-face meetings. So continuous learning, staying aware of the latest Android trends, updates, and chances can help you keep on improving your technical expertise. So you can follow relevant social media pages, okay, news apps and developer portals to keep yourself updated with the latest chances in the Android ecosystem. So the next one is uh, collaboration. Android app development is generally a team activity, so and you are likely to interact with designers, testers, marketers, and upper management employees as part of your role. Collaborating with other employees, being a team player, and accepting constructive feedback on your work can make you an asset of the workplace, thereby accelerating career growth. So familiarize yourself with the Android software development kit and Android Studio. Android Studio is the official integrated development environment build Android apps. Developers use it to write code and assemble apps using the various inbuilt libraries and packages. The Android uh, software development kit SDK contains software libraries, sample code, easy coding tools to help developers build, test, and debug Android apps. One of the advantages of becoming an Android developer is the test record skills. Tools like the Android SDK and Android Studio are free and readily available for download. So build and showcase your Android portfolio. Once you are comfortable with the Android packages, you can practice your programming skills by designing and publishing an app. So you can develop an app and then submit it to the various app stores by registering as a publisher. If your app meets all app stores guidelines, it will become available for public download. So having a published app can help in strengthening your portfolio and increase your chances of getting a job as an Android developer. Consider a certification. You can also consider certification to gain recognition and showcase your skills as an Android developer to prospective employers. These certifications have an exam and help to test your Android development skills. Some of the popular Android certifications including, okay, the first one is Google Associate Android Developer, that is Kotlin. The Google Associate Android Developer, Java. So depends on you, whatever you want to do. Apply for entry level position. To begin your career as an Android developer, you may apply for an entry level position or take a freelancing project for clients. Having a well written resume along with a carefully prepared cover letter can increase your chances of employment. You may also improve your chances of getting a job by going through the various popular Android interview questions. So showcasing your previous apps online can also build an impressive portfolio that can help to differentiate yourself from other applicants. So these are the things. If you wanted to start your career as an Android developer, kindly focus in all those things and kindly prepare yourself to be an Android developer. We in PCS Global, we are providing the training in Java full stack development. We are providing the training in Salesforce. We are providing the training in Monstack technology. Our live sessions of Monstack technology are going on. So if you wanted to learn Monstack development, this is the market booming technology right now. So you can communicate with us. If you wanted certification after having that course, you can get the certificate also. How you can get the certificate, for that information you need to communicate with our HR persons, okay. From there you can get the proper knowledge. Whatever the schedule of the trainings, whatever the schedule of the webinars and our master classes, if you wanted to know, kindly communicate with our HR persons. They will provide you the proper knowledge. And if you wanted to know about our company profile, if you wanted to know how PCS Global works and what are the things we try to give you in PCS Global, how we train you, you can communicate with me. My number is always going on in the description box. You can go through all my videos and you can get my number. If you wanted to know how PCS Global works since last 10 years, you can go through our career journey stories. These are the things when you can see that there are so many candidates who was like you before joining PCS Global. After having the experience of PCS Global right now, they are working in another companies very successfully. So guys, if you are having that lack of confidence that I am not able to do anything, I can't prove myself, and this job, this kind of jobs are not for me, no, it's not right. If you wanted to start your career, we are here to help you. Just you need to hold our hand, and we are one step away from you, we are one call away from you. So guys, kindly communicate, get the proper knowledge, and be a part of professional life, and be a part of IT industry. Okay, so this is for now, guys. Bye for now. Kindly communicate with me and get the proper knowledge, and kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and comment below. Always stay safe, be happy, and make others happy.